What's the meaning of aphrodisiac? Aphrodisiac. Aphrodisiac. Aphrodisiac.
Aphrodisiac. Aphrodisiac. An aphrodisiac is a substance or object that is believed to stimulate sexual desire or enhance sexual performance. It can be a food, a drug, a scent, or even an idea. The effects of an aphrodisiac are subjective and depend on a variety of factors such as a person's mood, physical health, and mindset. Some people may experience heightened sexual arousal and pleasure, while others may not notice any significant change. It is important to note that the use of aphrodisiacs is not a substitute for proper medical treatment or therapy for sexual dysfunction.